the first stab at an exhaust for this thing. Pretty happy with it. Got the muffler stacked in the middle there. The driver's side comes out, goes through the muffler and out this side, and then vice versa. The passenger side comes out, crosses over, and comes out this side. We've got flex joints on either side. It's using the factory hangers on both sides. We are getting ready to fire it up and see what it sounds like. Here's a quick bumper off video. Just to kind of give you an idea what's going on under there. So now that we got it outside, we did some more videos of it revving and idling and starting. I don't hate it. Sounds pretty good. I definitely would like to play with it a little bit and see what else we can do with it tone-wise. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. We're gonna do some experimenting as far as like different tweaks to give it different sounds. I think this is gonna be the basic setup. We might consider working in some kind of a H-pipe crossover or something, because these are true duals right now. They have no connection in the middle at all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll keep trucking on this thing. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.